welcome to our vlog. So it was our 3-month anniversary this week, so we were not able to put together a vlog in the format that we typically do, but we are going to take you guys around Seattle once again, and I hope you guys enjoy our little week of celebration that we had while going around town and enjoying some nice food and coffee places. So first we're gonna get started off with the University Village. This is located close to the University of Washington, and it's this nice shopping slash restaurant area that you can walk around and enjoy a completely different vibe. It feels very disconnected from the city in a way, but it's a walker's paradise. And you have a nice umbrella here.
I guess we got ice cream from Chill only.
And here we are at one of the most beautiful parts of Seattle. This is the best place to view the beauty of Seattle from.
Very bad.
How do you like it?
It's good.
It's a magnificent view.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous out here.
It's crowded as well.
It's a bit loud. Otherwise it would have been a peaceful day to just chill here on the edge that we're sitting on. Where are we going?
Cheesecake Factory.
First time?
Yeah.
Gonna try something new. Let's hope that it goes well.
Yeah.
So how does it feel? It's right in front of us. How much cheese is there?
Yeah. It's all cheese.
Excited?
Yeah.
Tell me about it. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. What do you want to start off with? So here we are enjoying ice cream in front of Tesla.